What's up, Vikings? Coach Vaughn here to show you the best Indian club drills for beginners if you want to get started with these. We're just going to go through 3 different drills with this, and you can do this as a warm-up. You only need a 1 to 2 pound club. I'm using a 3 pound because I've been doing this for a long time. These are great for any tool before any warm-up. If you're a powerlifter, great before benching. If you're into heavy maces like me, great to get that shoulder a little bit more loosened up for thoracic extension. And of course, kettlebells works great with everything. So just do 10, 10 each side with all these drills we're gonna do. And we wanna get to know this front rack position right here. And the best one to start that off with is a side cast. So you're just dropping it, bring it right back. Because we're gonna go into mills, we're pretty much building up that half circle or figure 8 if you'd like to view it, as you go side to side. Now as you see here, I have a little pause right here, hugging that in that lat. I spike it down and it should feel weightless right here. This is what's known as the saber position. Notice how my wrist, thumb kind of extends out. But then as I bring it back, it should grip with the thumb back here, as you see. See that? So you're going from that to that with the thumb. Very key as you do that to let the wrist extend and then go back to neutral in your front rack position. So you're gonna do 10, 10 on each side. Go to the other side. Now let's kind of focus on that external rotation. I don't want to see your elbow do this. See how my shoulder starts to impinge like this? Doing that. Get the elbow pit up. Corkscrew into the lat. See there. See that? I can get a little more open right here. Kind of keep your hand off to the free side so you don't smack it. Bring it right back in. So full speed, it looks like this. This is why Great Cook says these aren't heavy. They're fast. The more you add more speed to this, the heavier they're going to feel. So spike it down. Open it up, we're turning that elbow into a ball joint. We're staying away from this flexion extension as you would see in bicep curls and rows and presses. We're just trying to open that up. Feels really good. Opening up that pec. Once again, corkscrew, 10, 10 each side. As you do these, you're gonna figure out which side is a little bit stronger than the other. I never tell people you have a weak and a strong. You have a strong and a stronger side. Always have that in mind. If you believe you're weak, you're gonna. So let's focus on the out. So I'm gonna push my elbow out, circling the elbow here. See that? Circle, extend, drop back down just like you did in the side cast. See that? Circle the elbow. Looks like I'm combing my hair. If you're bald, you're combing your back hair. Extend, drop back down. So sorry from the side here. So I circle the elbow. See how it goes out here? Drops down, just like in that side cast. So here's what we don't want to do. I don't want to see you cut a corner. Do this. This is something I've common I see with a lot of my clients when first learning these. They want to do this, and the wrist kind of turns into this janky pull to get to that point. Like I said, we want to get that saber position. Circle the elbow. Make a big long arc like you're doing like an uppercut, leading through with that knuckle in that front rack. Circle the elbow so it gets right to this point. You should feel all this open up in that serratus area right here. Extend it. See, now I got my saber. Drop it back down like you did in the side cast. So going right back there. So other side. Now let's go in. So we're gonna go back, starting with the side cast. Bend the elbow. So we're just reversing that out position. Circle the elbow in, pulling with that lat. See that there? So side cast, right about to shoulder height, I'd say you need to start bending the elbow. You need to find a sweet spot, because if you go too soon right here bending the elbow, once again, you're gonna cut the corner. We don't wanna do that, see that? Kind of impinges the shoulder. Right about that 90-degree angle, drop that down, circle the elbow and pull with the elbow. Show you from the side. Pulls in tight. Hope that helps you out. So if you want more, check out my book, Got It Club, where I showed you how to warm up with these with 30 different drills, 10 each for beginner, intermediate to advanced, and then showing you how to progress to singles and doubles in that program with your steel clubs. You can find it at coachvaughn.net. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. This is Coach Vaughn signing off.